been a little bit since I worked on the F-250, so we need to get the parking brake back here fixed. It's no longer connected, and the brake shoe, probably won't be able to see it, is in here. Let's see if I can adjust this a little bit. Here it is. That's parking brake shoe, and there's the other one over there. Those are both just spinning around, so I got to knock this rotor off so I can take out that shoe. Now I know what you're thinking. Why hasn't he got the rotor off yet? Well, it's because that is pretty much just seized on. So we're going to have to try a little bottle jack action here, and hopefully we can get this thing to pop loose without heat and without damaging the rotor. So, maybe. So the bottle jack method with that chain worked. Just a little bit of tension enough to pop it loose, because it was seized on there. PB Blaster wasn't doing much. So put a couple of little dings in the rotor, which kind of sucks. Can't get around that. Otherwise, the inside of the rotor is nice and shiny, because these brake shoes, parking brake shoes, this one's all mangled up. I didn't do that. I was just from sliding around there until it seized up and hit something. This one is just as bad. Those are just bouncing around in there. Generally, these are supposed to be attached on here, something like that. Top and bottom, a couple springs. Springs are gone. All the hardware's gone. They're just sliding around in there. They should be attached here. Should be a little pivoty arm goes through there. All that's gone. So this is just going to go back together. Just the way it is, just without these things sliding around in there. Well, this might be the very last time this truck is going to be worked on in this garage. So the engine is back together as best as it's going to be. The wheels have been gone through. Liners put back in to the front. The drive shaft has been rebuilt on the U-joints on the back, and carrier bearing on the rear half, and the new 4-inch exhaust here all the way back with a nice chrome MBRP. Sorry, that's not chrome, that's polished stainless. So got that taken care of. Got the spare remounted back up underneath there. I have a new tire hoist. The original one was cut on one of the ears. The bed is pretty much cleaned out. Got a little pile of debris right there. Back window's cleaned off. The parking brake shoes on this side were disconnected and fell off and were making all kinds of awful noises. Those have been removed. Now, still have one good parking brake on the other side, but no, people don't use parking brakes very often. That's why they go bad. So on the inside here, it's all mostly done. Sunroof's been rebuilt. We got all the new hardware up there, so that's all working just fine. Back here is the original spare tire kit back behind it. Do this one-handed. So original spare tire kit back here. Can't see it. Hold on. There you go. That's all mounted back there. The other side, you can't really see it. Yeah, bottle jack's back over there, along with the original stereo subwoofer system. Got some extra parts here. I'm not going to put on new shocks. Got some extra stuff that was just laying around, I'm trying to just clean up. So, you have to do it. Wipe down everything, get that taken care of. Got the new seat cover put on. It is significantly different on the camera, but it looks much closer in real life. This is the way the camera picks up light. We're going to do clean all this nasty, grimy grunk off everywhere. Get that all cleaned up. Then this truck will be for sale. Yep, that's right. I'm not going to keep it. So there's always something better. So this may be the last time this will be here, and it probably will be. It was a long time coming. I have this truck for probably about 2 months now. So just a long project, a lot of stuff to get taken care of, and not a bad truck overall. So let me know if you want to see more trucks like this. Probably will not buy another 6.4. If you see this on a truck, it's probably not going to be a good truck. No, could be, probably not. But let me know. So I'll see you next time. Make sure to like, subscribe, follow, get some more videos, and I'll let you know what's going on with the Heartland rebuilds.